Hey you all, I hope you are having a beautiful day, evening, and or night. Um, Today in this video, I'll just be demonstrating how I took down these braids, washed my hair, conditioned it, and reinstalled some new braids. I had these braids in for going on 3 weeks, I want to say, and they are starting to irritate my scalp. They itch quite a bit, so I'm ready to take them down. And not to mention, I'm getting ready for my son's birthday on Thursday, so stay tuned for that, and make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe, and if you want, share. Quick update, my hair is growing back a little bit. I cut it like a boy recently, a few months ago. I want to say 6 months ago, and this is the results of a bald head shaved all off. Y'all, I had to stop washing my hair in the sink and go in the shower. I tried. This was like the hardest thing ever. I don't even know why I attempted to do this. But nevertheless, it got done. Just not all at the sink. So guys, this is the last bundle and I'm just about done. Look, I have this much left. But comment down below, do you think I will have enough hair to finish the job? I'm finally done. It took 6 packs of hair to achieve this look and I didn't have enough hair to complete the look, so I got creative and did 2 braids going to the back until I am able to get some more hair. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you all like it. I'm going to take a shower and wind down. Peace.